Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how to group an object or ungroup an object. To group an object we can select any two or multiple objects you want to group in the scene. We can select it by just clicking by holding shift and then selecting the object, else we can select it from the outliner. So in the outliner, if we select the cone and the cylinder and go to edit and then click on group, the shortcut key to create a group will be Ctrl plus G. Or if you are not able to press the shortcut key, then you can come and edit and then click on group. In this way you can create a group. The all the geometry which are collapsed inside the group can be seen by just clicking on this plus icon. In this way we can ungroup it by just clicking on the group and then again going to edit and then ungroup it. Let's suppose if we select the sphere and make the translate 0 of the sphere. In the side view, if we move the sphere in Z direction, and then when the object was not in a group, the pivot was at the center of the object, but when we make the group of the object, the pivot comes in the center of the grid. Okay, so whenever you want to make a copy from the center of the same geometry, then you can create a group and then you can again ungroup it after doing this. Okay, so now I will again ungroup it by coming in edit and then ungroup.